inspection on an authentic bag. So if you like these types of videos where I unbox authentic, like today, well, it's an inspection on an authentic bag, I DIY, compare bags, do review on bags, plus more, then please like and subscribe. And if you want to talk fashion style, then DM me on my Instagram at TCP_lecture-free. Let's get started. Which bag are we going to inspect? Well, she's kind of right here. You can see just the ring light, but she's behind all these other Gucci elements. What you doing behind these ladies? You shouldn't be behind them. You're fierce. Purchased her on Fashionphile. Let's take a look at her. She is so gorgeous. She is a wonderful, beautiful, unique bag. That little tiger, the stars, the fire, it's all me, folks. This is all me. So we're going to review her. First, we're gonna weigh and measure her. Empty. So it is a clutch, and I'll show you how like I use it as a crossbody or like shoulder bag. Let's get started. For those of you who are new, I have a little inspection sheet that I go through. The only thing that's not here is measuring and weighing her empty. So let's start. Okay, let's weigh her empty. I do have like the Fashionphile, this bag, and stuff in here. All the Fashionphile stuff and the chain that I use. I'm just gonna leave it in there because that's what I use when I use this bag. She weighs, with the chain, 1 pound and 8.2 ounces. I am using a different measuring tape because this is more flexible. So she is 33 centimeters long. And you see the width, she kind of bubbles out. So let's say she's about 6.5 centimeters in width. In depth, she is, I'm going from the fold over here, so she's about 21.5 centimeters long. And this chain, like, she's so pretty inside. This chain is like what I use when I take it out, and I will link this below. I think I bought this on Amazon. Let's start, but I'm not gonna use this pen. Let's change it up. This is the pen that Foxy Lux purchased me. Poof poof. So let's start with the smell test. The faint smell of leather. She smells of leather, of course. She's a lovely bag, and I couldn't ask for anything more. She passes the smell test. Duh. I mean, what authentic bag doesn't pass the leather smell test? Come on. Oh yeah, there are some that they use PVC, but then they usually have like little leather pieces. Okay, function and abuse test. So again, this is full. I'm not gonna do a full-on like stress test, but full at 4 pounds, and it's a clutch, people, not made to be a bag. I typically wear it not with like a laptop in it like this because it's authentic and I don't want to ruin it. It's made to be a clutch, to be held, not to be, you know, dragged down. But yeah, I mean, if I'm gonna just hold it like a clutch, I would definitely just like hold the laptop with her inside and all my stuff. It's a very useful bag. She passes the function and abuse test. Seam strength test. Now the stitching of this bag is beautiful. Let's see. I am not sure what year this is, but I know it's way older. Bought it pre-loved on Fashionphile, but that stitching is gorgeous. She passes the seam strength test. The load test. Load test, this is a great bag for work actually. I mean, that's weird, right? But if you're like an office job, whatever, when we used to go out to work, you can bring small, this is my mini surface bag, laptop, sorry. And I just get my essentials here, which some of you might know about these items. Got glasses because I'm blind as hell. I got like compact lip, well, it's really light. Mirror, antibacterial gel, lip gloss. I don't wear a lot of makeup. I have a little comb, antibacterial gel, blah, blah, blah. I'm not gonna even talk about the knife. If you wanna see it. This is my unicorn knife for protection, and that's it. I'm not gonna pull it all the way out. Probably shouldn't have it because it is kind of too long. Anyway, does she fit? Because she does. And then I just put like my wallet, which I have a Tesla, so that doesn't require keys. There's my driver's license, blah, blah, blah. And then of course my cell phone would fit in here. And see if we can close this up. I don't have my cell phone. And she closes. Now, would I want to carry her like this? I don't know if I want to carry her like this. I probably would for a while and be very careful about it because I don't want to mess this thing up. But it is pretty heavy. So let's just weigh her with everything in it because that laptop's a little bit heavier. I'm just getting weak. The laptop and whatnot. She weighs 4 pounds and 10.3 ounces. Wow, maybe I'm just getting weak. He passes the load test. Zipper twist test. Okay, the zipper twist test. You can see the zipper. I know I have this thing here. So what I usually do, I leave the bag in this state with the chain. So I leave the chain sticking out from the back. And when I get stuff out, I pretty much just leave it halfway and get my stuff out. But the chain will come out, right? So you just have to zip it up. I'm thinking about, I don't want to put holes on this, but maybe, I don't know, we'll see. I love this bag and the zipper twist test. She passes the zipper twist test. It's a good zipper. It's a really amazing zipper. I don't know if it has Gucci underneath. Oh, it does. It says Gucci right there. Twist test. Duh, she passes. If I have an authentic bag that doesn't pass this quality test, I would be like returning it. She passes. This thing is addicting. Like you just want to put it all over the place. She passes the zipper twist test. I love this bag. It's a clutch really, but it fits a lot of things and I love it. It's just a freaking wonderful bag. So she gets an A, plus, and another plus because she's authentic. Well, everybody, thank you for watching and have a wonderful day and talk to you soon. Bye.